We have a controlled environment here, so we can gather all the products up and separate it and direct it to its end use far more efficiently. Here at Royal Homes, we do recycle different materials. We recycle our plastics and polys. We bale up our clear plastic separate from the colored plastics, the clear plastic being a better grade. We have another baler located a few feet the other direction where we bale up all of our cardboard, and it's gathered up and recycled and sent away to be recycled into other products as well. We recycle our lumber. It's chipped and turned into mulch for the gardening trade. Plywood cut-offs we cut up and reuse for insulation stops to ventilate our attics, rather than buy foam and create more use of that type of product. We build our own stuff out of our own scrap plywood.